Hi everyone! Today I'll be making a lovely mango avocado body butter that leaves the skin feeling moisturized and supple. Stay tuned! This butter will feature mango butter. Mango butter is extracted from the kernels of the mango tree. It is a rich source of vitamins A and E, antioxidants, emollients which help to soothe and soften the skin, and has excellent moisturizing properties. The second ingredient is avocado oil, which is high in vitamin B and contains amino acids. Avocado oil is easily absorbed by the skin and is great for dry skin. A 50-50 ratio of butter and oil will make a great body butter. However, I'll be adding another ingredient. The next ingredient is stearic acid. Stearic acid is an organic fatty acid that comes from vegetable fats and oils, and it works to ensure that the skin is nourished from deep within. It is a principal emulsifying ingredient in many lotions and creams and will give the body butter a shiny lotion-like consistency. For the recipe I'm using today, check the description box below. Or, to see a body butter recipe that does not include stearic acid, check out my pink sugar body butter video. I'll link it in the top right corner of your screen. Now I'm going to put the butter and stearic acid into a glass measuring cup, then melt them in a hot water bath over medium-low heat. And this is what the melted butter and stearic acid look like. I'll now add the room temperature oil to the melted ingredients, then allow it to cool. You can cover the cup and place it in the fridge or freezer until it starts to harden. I opted to use an ice water bath off camera. As it cools, the mixture will start to get cloudy, like this. Now I'll take my immersion blender with the whisk attachment and whisk until the mixture is no longer liquid. I periodically rested my cup back in the ice water bath to lower the temperature over time. Now there are a few optional ingredients that could be added to the butter. The first is a colorant such as mica powder, a liquid pigment, certain oils, or herbs. In keeping with the mango theme, I want to add a slight yellowish orangish tint to the butter. I have some carrot tissue oil on hand, which has a very orange hue. I'll be using this today to give this butter a slight orange tint. A second optional but beneficial ingredient is vitamin E. Vitamin E will act as an antioxidant to slow down the natural oxidation process of this butter and extend its shelf life. I didn't use any vitamin E today, as I will likely be using this butter as the oil base for a separate emulsion that I will be making in the future, and I don't expect to have this butter for an extended period of time. Another optional ingredient is a fragrance by way of an essential oil or fragrance oil. Essential oils can be used for added benefits to the body, though if you want a mango avocado scent, fragrance oils are your best bet. I opted not to add a scent to this butter. Unlike other butters such as shea butter or cocoa butter that have very distinct smells, mango butter doesn't have a noticeable scent. As such, the final body butter has an almost indistinguishable scent. And this is what the final mango avocado body butter is looking like. I really like the shiny, smooth texture of this butter. It also has a lotion-like consistency and spreads very easily when applied to the body. I attribute this to the addition of the stearic acid. I actually use this butter to apply to my whole body, which I wouldn't typically do with a body butter. It was very light due to the mango butter and easy to spread. It also melted on contact with my skin, absorbed well, and left my skin moisturized for the entire day. The carrot oil also contributed a slight orange tint, though it doesn't come through that well on camera. After sitting for a few hours, the body butter solidified a bit more and came to its final consistency, which I'd say is similar to the texture of ice cream. And that's it for this lovely body butter. While I prefer lotions and creams to body butters, I really enjoyed using this one and can see this becoming a staple in my skincare regimen. Please remember to leave a like and comment below, as well as subscribe to my channel for more DIYs like this one. Until next time, have courage and be kind.